I got some news about Deer. So the browser company, makers of Arc and Deer, is being acquired. So Atlassian is paying $610 million for the company in a big bet that both AI and browsers are key to the future of work. So they are both being acquired as of yesterday. If you're Atlassian and if Jira in particular, you might be thinking, oh, that's a shame. I'll talk about why in a moment. Mike Cannon-Brookes, the CEO of enterprise software giant Atlassian, was one of the first users of the Arc browser. Arc's a very cool browser, like Chrome, like Edge. Arc is a way of getting onto the internet. Really, it's a Chrome competitor. Over the last several years, he's been a prolific bug reporter and feature requester. Now he'll own the thing. Atlassian is acquiring the browser company, the New York-based startup that makes both Arc and the new AI-focused Deer browser. Hilariously, I just got access to Deer yesterday. So Deer is on a waitlist, and I finally got access yesterday. And it's an AI-based browser, much like Perplexity's Comet, much like the rumored ChatGPT browser that is apparently on the way. And I just got access to Deer. I was really excited about it, and then heard that Atlassian have come along and snatched it up, which is somewhat annoying because I don't think I'll use it if it is an Atlassian company. The reason for that is I've used a lot of Atlassian products, and what they do is they snatch up companies like this, they acquire them, they pull them into their sphere, and then they just ruin them. So let me name some Atlassian companies. So Jira is the big one. Trello, which I love. They cranked up the prices and made it harder to use. Confluence, Bitbucket. Oh, Loom. I did not know they owned Loom, which is hilarious because I used Loom for years and then I stopped using it because it became trash and I moved over to Teller instead. So what I've noticed, and this is, I'm sure, anecdotal, is when Atlassian get their hands on something, they turn it into an enterprise software. They make most of their money by selling to enterprises. They seem to be less interested in the quality of their software, and things just fall apart at the seams. And anyone who uses Jira, or how do you actually say it? I never say it out loud, who actually uses it in their day-to-day. It's a bit like Salesforce. Anyone who uses Salesforce, they're like, oh, it's terrible, but it's what we have to use. And Microsoft Teams. There's a few kind of pieces of software that people are stuck with, but they have to use it because that's what their enterprise uses. So unfortunately, I personally see Atlassian as a place where startups go to die. Maybe I'll be wrong. Maybe they will do something good with Deer, but I'll probably stick to Comet from Perplexity for now for my AI browsing, because this does not fill me with hope.